final 3 missions of the Apollo lunar program focused on scientific goals, and to facilitate this aim, there were significant upgrades to the equipment. The stay on the surface was increased to 3 days, suits were more flexible, and most notably, a remarkable electric car was carried to the moon, folded into a spare bay in the lander.
Okay, when he hits the craters and starts bouncing is when he gets his rooster tail.
Apollo 15 was the first of these advanced missions, and it was sent to explore a spectacularly beautiful plain at the eastern rim of Mare Imbrium. Sited near the crater Hadley C, the plain was bounded by mountains and a winding channel, Hadley Rille. This remarkable feature had been carved by flowing lava more than 3 billion years ago. The crew of the Apollo 15 lunar module Falcon was Mission Commander David Scott and lunar module pilot Jim Irwin. 2 aspects of their descent to the lunar surface were different from previous missions. To clear the mountains to the east, they flew a steeper approach profile of about 25 degrees. Also, the capability of the main engine had been increased by extending its nozzle, leaving only about 25 centimeters clearance to smooth ground. The crew were keen to stop the engine whilst still airborne, to prevent the nozzle becoming blocked by an uneven surface. A cue from probes fitted beneath the footpads would signal when to shut down the engine. Falcon orbited the moon in an east to west direction, with a low point or perilune 500 kilometers east of the landing site, and an altitude of about 53,000 feet, just over 16 kilometers. This was the point for powered descent initiation, or PDI, when the main engine would be ignited. At this moment, the burn was being controlled by Program 63 in the computer. P63 was one of 3 programs that handled the descent. This was the braking phase, and it would last about 9 minutes, during which the crew would not see the ground. P64 handled the approach phase and would rotate the spacecraft forward so that the crew could see where it was taking them. A clever onboard system would allow the commander to redesignate the landing target if necessary. Once the lunar module had descended to an altitude of about 500 feet, Scott selected Program 66, effectively inserting himself into the control loop. This allowed him to guide the spacecraft, helicopter-like, to a smooth patch for touchdown.
Average G.
30 seconds now until ignition.
Do you have guidance? By for ullage. Standing by for ullage.
Ten seconds.
Ullage, go for the pro. Pro, going. Auto ignition. 11%, the override is on.
LEM engine is currently at minimum thrust. They'll be throttling up shortly.
Throttle up. Master arm off. Okay, master arm's coming off. Lights are off. Looks stable. Gauge depth looking a little higher than normal. Okay, we're a little higher than normal.
The guidance officer says we've got good thrust, 99-20.
Minute. Gauge depth about 20 high. Okay. Fuel is a little low, oxidizer is a little high.
Falcon Houston, a 169 minus 02800.
Roger, minus 02800, standing by for the enter.
Here, go for enter.
Go for enter.
Falcon Houston, your go at 2 minutes.
Roger, go at 2. Things and eggs compare.
We're showing an altitude of about 46,000 feet now.
About 2% low on fuel. Okay, at 1.
The crew updated their guidance systems targeting. It was tending to steer them about 2,800 feet downrange.
H.4 high.
Falcon Houston, we're happy with your fuel.
Okay, it's nice to hear. Hey, 3 minutes, showing to 0. Altitude's good. H.'s right on, Dave. Good. Still reading 2%. Oh, Houston's happy with it.
Falcon Houston, your go at 3.
Roger, go at 3.
Altitude now about 42,000 feet. Our velocity down to about 3,900 feet per second.
3,400 Delta H. Velocity light is out. Delta H looks good up here. Houston, what do you think?
Falcon Houston, we agree with Delta H, accept.
That's the landing radar data coming in, and Scott just reported they're accepting that data.
And Houston, ED batteries check.
Copy.
Minutes. Altitude's 2,000 high. Okay, about 3 low. Fuel and oxidizer looking good. At 1%. Okay, things and eggs look good.
The primary guidance system thinks it's about 3,000 feet lower than it is. The radar should correct that.
Altitude's 4,000 high. H.'s right on. Fuel and oxidizer are good. Okay. Delta H is 2,000.
We're about 5 minutes into the maneuver now, and Glen Lunny taking a status, go all the way.
High. About 9 high.
Falcon
Okay.
Houston, your go at 5, and your fuel quantity looks good here.
Okay, understand. Go at 5. Altitude 3,000 high, H.10 high. Fuel oxidizer good. Okay.
We're still looking good. Velocity down now to 2,400 feet per second. Glen Lunny making another status, says we look good.
High. Okay, fuel oxidizer good. And the Delta H is looking pretty good.
Falcon Houston, your go at 6.
Roger, go at 6.
We're about 3 minutes now from the approach phase, altitude about 2,500 feet, 25,000 feet, correction.
Sir. Altitude 1,000 high, 8 about 4 high. X-axis overrides out.
Falcon Houston, throttle down, 7 plus 23.
Roger, 7 plus 23. Minutes. 1,000 high, H about just about on. Oxidize run about 1% low.
Coming up on throttle down in about 3 seconds. The guidance system will back off on the thrust to about 50%, 57%.
2.
And the crew confirmed throttle down, right on time.
30. Okay. Oxidizer good. Okay. Check the manual. No flags. Looks good.
Falcon Houston, descent 1.
Roger, descent 1, and looks like P64 at 923.
Roger.
P64 is the final approach phase where the lunar module pitches up for the astronauts' first good look at the landing site. Altitude now about 16,000 feet.
Put a date. Mark. Good.
Guidance says it looks as if we may be coming in a little bit south of the site. Everything looks good, however.
Falcon Houston, we expect you may be a little south of the site.
Hey, coming up on 8,000.
3,000 feet.
Okay.
Coming up on pitch over.
Feet. P64. Okay. We have LPD. LPD. Coming right. 40. 5,000 feet. 39. 39. 38. 39. 4,000 feet. 40. 41. 45. 47. 52. 3,000 feet. 52. 52. 51. 50. 47. 47. 2,000 feet. 42. Okay, got a good spot. Good. 42. 43. 1,500 feet.
Falcon Houston, you're go for landing.
45. Badge, go for landing. 44. 45. 1,000 feet. 45. 900. 45. 800. 45. 700. 46. 600. 48. 500. 49. Minus 17. Minus 15. 400 and minus 14. Yep, P66. Okay. 300 feet. Minus 11. Minus 11. 250. Minus 11. 9% fuel. 200. Minus 11. 150, minus 7, minus 6, 120 feet, minus 6.
Okay, I've got some dust.
Minus 5, 100 feet at 5. 9% fuel. Minus 5. 80 at 5. Minus 3. 60 at 3. 50 at 3. Cross pointers look good. 40 at 3. 33. 25. 2. 7% fuel. 20 at 1. 15 at 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. 6% fuel. 10 feet, minus 1. 8 feet, minus 1. Contact.
Man. Okay, Houston, the Falcon is on the plane at Hadley.
Roger, Roger, Falcon.
No denying that. We had contact.
That was a jubilant Dave Scott reporting Apollo 15 on the plane at Hadley.
Okay, ECS looks good.
Okay. Can we get ours open?
He looks steady. Okay, did you get the landing radar open?
Yep.
Okay. Standing by for T1.
Roger.
Just stand by.
It looks good on board.
Falcon, Houston, your stay T1.
Roger, stay for T1.
Okay.
Okay, let's get on with the little checklist.